guys, JD here, and today we're taking a look again at the Jet Tribe US Coast Guard Blackout vest. So I wanted to show you guys the custom color kit from Jet Tribe. This includes 2 Jet Tribe logos, it includes a color matched lanyard loop, and it includes a color matched reflective nameplate and an additional Jet Tribe logo for the back. So I love this vest so far. I've been wearing it for a few months now. Obviously it's the primary vest I wear out on the water now, and I really like that I could get these Jet Tribe logos in green. The Blackout vest already does include these green handles up here. This Jet Tribe logo you can get in red, orange, blue, black, gray, and of course green. So these are really easy to remove. You can see that they're Velcro. So you can purchase a nameplate from Jet Tribe with your name or race number to go on the front, and then you can also, for an extra fee, have this plate here customized with your name or number. And now my US Coast Guard approved Jet Tribe Blackout vest is even better than before because it's got these awesome lime green Jet Tribe logos. So pick up your own color matched kit at jettribe.com, and don't forget to use the discount code on your screen to get 15% off your order, courtesy of Jet Tribe. Well, thanks again for watching. Hope this was helpful, and stay tuned for more jet ski content only on JD's Water World.